Hello everyone, Tamara and I are walking through the town right now. We're about to go get ice cream. We just got out of the grocery store and I got some stuff.
Ice cream closed.
That's so sad. I'm like sincerely sad right now. Me.
Now we're gonna walk all the way down here just for the ATM and walk all the way back up there. We could have parked down there just for the ATM.
Oh well. Hello.
Hello.
From like the worst vlogger ever today. I also haven't done much today. This morning I wrote another paper, did some reading, got packed up. Tomorrow, Tamara and I actually venture out on the next part of our journey. We are heading to the Alps, and so I won't be returning to Oma's house. So today I was packing up all my stuff. I have not vlogged at all basically today, but right now we are at, like, what would you describe?
It's called Kiova, and it's basically like a town festival. Lots of rides. There's a big beer tent. Everyone sits down and eats bratwurst and drinks beer, and the kids have the games, and there's lots of amazing food.
Hi, Christiana. That's what we're doing right now. Today will probably be a super short vlog, but we're gonna hang out here for a little bit. Tamara and I are both starving. Yes. I've only had pistachios today. So
and I've only had pistachios and 1 slice of bread and 2 slices of cake. But that's a little bit for me.
That's just a tiny bit for you. It's only a snack.
So we're gonna go get food.
Like, I want to get food now.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go. They also have Nutella and strawberry crepes, which is definitely what I'm getting for my dessert. And you said you're probably gonna get a crepe as well for your dessert. First, we got to get this boring food out of the way so we can get to that.
They also have chocolate-covered bananas and strawberries, and that's super tempting too, though. So we'll see.
Also sounds good. Just all the good options. So I'm gonna try this. How do you pronounce this?
Spitze. Spitze.
Spitze?
Good.
Spitze. And apparently it's cola and lemonade.
Yep. No.
What an interesting thing.
You don't like it?
I mean, no, it's actually okay,
Good.
but like, I mean, I would much rather have Coke, but it's still okay.
Awesome.
Tamara is remembering my order right now. What is it?
Einsame Käsegrille.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Einsame.
Einsame. No, that wasn't right. What?
Einsame.
Einsame.
Käsegrille.
Grille.
Good job.
had these two. That's the mark my mom's mom left on me, was my dimples. But like, I feel like this one has come out recently. Hello. I'm all packed up. I'm ready to leave tomorrow. 3.5 hour drive to, what's it called again?
Königsee and Berchtesgaden.
Berchtesgaden.
That's what you're thinking of.
It's been a good day. Definitely slower. We had a good time at the festival. A rest day.
We're being like the Germans.
Even though, is it Sunday?
No.
But I did get a lot done today, so that's good. Yeah, tomorrow we like hit the ground running and we'll have a full day tomorrow. So I'm going to be pretty tired. So I'm kind of glad. Huh?
We're going to stop at McDonald's.
We're going to stop at McDonald's. Okay, I don't know why, but I have not been drinking a lot of coffee on this trip. I mean, I get it whenever I can, but like I haven't been drinking a ton. And I've wanted to try the coffee at McDonald's because like I know what it tastes like in America. And so I've been wanting to go to McDonald's here in Germany and try the coffee. But I have not gotten it yet because for some reason in my mind, I've just automatically planned to get it tomorrow. Like from the start of this trip, when I knew that I was going to have to drive 3.5 hours like near the end.
You thought it was going to be like 6.
True. I thought it was going to be like a 5-hour drive. So,
but either way, the longest trip. You knew it would be the longest.
Yeah, I was just waiting for the longest trip to get like a humongous coffee. Here's to hoping McDonald's doesn't let me down.
McDonald's always lets me down.
McCafe, like the McCafe is not that bad though. Honestly, I mean, it's not great, but I mean, for McDonald's, it's surprisingly good. True story. That's how we're going to start tomorrow, is for me to get my coffee, which is going to be good because we're getting up super early and we're leaving super early and I'm going to be driving super early. I'm just going to take some time to make sure that I have everything all ready to go so I'm not forgetting anything at Oma's house. And don't tell her, but I got her some pretty flowers and a card today, and so I'm gonna leave that for her tomorrow morning. I like honestly couldn't have done this trip without her, so I am incredibly thankful for everything that she's done and allowing me to stay in her home, fixing me food, doing my laundry. Like, the woman has basically taken me under her wing and just adopted me as her child, it seems. So Tamara, thank you for sharing your grandmother, and yeah, it's just been a great time. And I feel like the trip is coming to an end, even though I don't leave to head back to America for like another 3 days, but it's just like the end of this section of the trip. I'm gonna hop off of here because like I said, I'm a little bit tired. I've got a few more things to do this evening and then I'm going to bed. I will see you guys in the morning. Bye.